Okay. Welcome. Which week? Week 8 week.
Only 2 weeks left.
What due date for your project?
For next week.
Next week. Are you ready?
No. We need 1 more week, sir.
Okay, so I have 2 weeks for you. Next week is your project week. Okay? No class. Work on your project. So I postpone 1 week for you guys. Okay?
Thank you.
So week 9 is a project week. Okay? No lecture. You can come. This is not yours. Okay? But you work with your team on your project. No lectures.
So kind of.
Week 10, each of you must come. No percent, no grade, 0 grade. Here. You read all this, you will leave there. No presentation, nothing. Okay, make sure you have it. So before you come to this class, you must submit 3 files. 1, your presentation, PowerPoint. 2, your final report, project report. The name is the word. Number 3, or your project file. What you have done? Original file, PPU submitted submission box, right? In a week. This 2, you submit on the week 11 submission box, okay? This 3, you email to me. You put in the package, zip there, email to me, including your data set, okay? And your Python code, your Excel output, everything. So each one is per teams enough, right? Usually your team leader email to me, okay? So our combined your team roster file based on your project proposal, and so your big presentation in week 10 here, right?
Do we need to submit that before the presentation?
Before presentation, everything settled, okay? So basically, your team will have 20 minutes per team, right? Project presentation competition, also competition. So typically 5 people, probably 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes each. So basically, you are show off what you have achieved, what you have done. What's business problem? What's data? What's your data visualization, Tableau work? What's your KV work? What's your 2 classified work? Then finally, what's your finding? What's inside? What's the trend you found? Right? You have to show us, okay? And after that, after your presentation, Q&A, then you audit where you rate this team, which contribute about 40% of your grade. Then I'm going to read your final project file and all your final report to verify whether you have done this work. Yeah? Original work. Then I contribute around 50% or 60% of your grade. That your, 20% of your grade come from. 40% come from your classmate. And 60% come from me. Okay? So everybody needs bring computer here. Okay? Good?
Professor.
Then week 11 is a kind of final exam. Final exam.
Yeah.
It's a team basis.
MCQ, right?
I give you a small data set, say 200 data set. So you will solve the problem as a team within say 6 hours or 8 hours one day during the class day, then you submit. Yeah? Okay?
Remember you said before that you allow us to vote for the mode of the examination, is it individual or group? Don't you forget it?
Most of you like group, right? Do you group assignment?
We need to vote because I don't feel comfortable with my group.
What? So this is what you guys want the individual exam or by group?
We are
can vote right now.
Two people are remaining. We will ask them and we will let you know. But we are inclined towards.
Okay, that's a vote, right? Anybody like individual exam? One.
Majority wins.
Majority like group. Yeah, only you. Yeah, that's the case. Yeah, so we don't work in a team.
So the one who don't want to be in a group can like give the exam individually, right? That's the right.
No, you have to work with with your group. Yeah? Because you have to work as a team to solve the problem. Otherwise, you cannot solve the problem.
Because the attendance of the lecture now is less than 50%. Our vote, my vote doesn't count because not majority of the students are here.
I know, I can do the work online if you want, but it's the same story.
Professor,
Most people, because it's already in your cost syllable. It's a team project. In cost syllable.
let's do the voting when everyone is here after the class, like at the end of the lecture.
Okay, whatever, yeah, anytime. So, very important you achieve your project, right? Then in order to do this 20%, okay?
So for the final exam, will you select a specific day for us to do the final exams, or we can?
And week 11 and this Tuesday.
Okay.
I say give to you by 8 o'clock in the morning.
But we have.
You need to submit by say 8 hours.
We should not have class.
But we have
Should be
class.
exam week.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, right?
But I have class. We have class before.
Of course you have class, yeah. But it's fine. I'll give you enough time. 8 hours.
No, we
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We don't have class.
Should be do class.
Examination is
Yeah.
no
No,
class.
no, whatever.
Doesn't matter. I'll give you a lot of time. I'll give you 8 hours. Yeah. If you're individual, right? You only have 1 hour 50 minutes. Yeah. Just because the previous class did it. Yeah. You only have 1 hour 50 minutes. Yeah. And answer all these 5 questions.
What else we have to send you an email in the third part? In week 10.
About project file.
Data set,
That is everything. Everything you have done.
Excel,
Don't worry.
You are emailed to me. The Word file, PowerPoint file, you need to submit on the submission box. Okay? So very important, okay?
Professor, will you be in class next week?
Next week, no class, no lecture. Yeah, you can come to the conference.
You will not be here.
I'm not here. Yeah, I will be online to help you if you want. Okay?
Yeah.
And that's it. I put my MS team on. You can ask questions.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah. Okay, please help me.
Yes, okay.
Okay? So, that's logistic, right? Today?
Sorry, Professor. She's asking about the Tableau chart. So, need the screenshot only, or we upload to the Tableau public?
Yeah, you need to upload the Tableau part.
Tableau public?
Yeah. Okay, let's go to our today class, right? Otherwise we'll be late. So, this is the last lecture. We will talk about number 7 algorithm called time series forecasting. Particularly, we use the ARIMA model, which has been proved the best model for time series. Then we talk about model evaluation. Yeah? So with ChatGPT, you should experiment all this algorithm as possible, right? All the 7 algorithms I told you. Then you select 2 of them, for your final project. Then you select the best result, deploy, real production, right? That's the idea. So ChatGPT give you lifetime experience. I'll tell you why. Okay? So how many of you tried ChatGPT yet? Python, right? Who have tried? Good. Everybody tried. Everybody must try. This is a excellent opportunity for you. Junior data analysis can do much sophisticated work. When I told you the story, right? This made my wife very nervous. She's a senior data scientist, yeah? She got Waterloo, yeah? A lot of training. She make $150 per year. Probably more than 160. Yeah? Now ChatGPT is able to do most of her job. Python work. She's worried she will be laid off. Actually, it's ongoing. Last 2 months or 3 months, all these high-tech companies in Silicon Valley fire a lot of high-paid engineers like my wife. Now, bad for them, but opportunity for you. Why? ChatGPT enable you to do similar job, even more, because you know MBA, you know business, you know strategy, you know marketing, you know HR, you know all this business side, right? And ChatGPT can help you to do Python, right? However, how much do you want? Same position, right? You want 120? You feel realistic, yeah? Otherwise you will not get a job. Feel realistic how much you want. Realistic, you look for your MBA job.
So I asked for
It'll be aggressive. So what's the realistic job salary you're looking for after MBA? Yeah. Regularly for you guys, probably about $80,000. Yeah? It's realistic. You don't want to stay there without a job. Yeah? So you start to 80. Yeah? Now you can replace my wife. Yeah? How about you 90? Very happy, yeah? And for the company, right? Save another $80,000. Yeah? So this is why ChatGPT is an opportunity for you guys as business analysis can do sophisticated machine learning work. So that's why you guys should be very crazy about the ChatGPT on your project, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get approval for Python program for this project. Do the project, yeah? So easy, right? I cannot overestimate why that's important for you. It's an opportunity for you. Okay, so let's do quickly review the last algorithm, time series. Okay? So the time series, time. So what do you mean by time?
Predicting or seeing the trend.
Yeah, it's a philosophy, right? Time, you know? Time will tell. Time can be daily, can be quarterly, can be monthly. Right now, every minute passed, and tomorrow is coming. People were leaving, people were dying, right? So this one is basically study on the data changing over the time. Okay? So, for example, your age, how old are you going to live? That's time. Yeah? And so for business analysis, the one of the typical problem, so this is time. Okay? So if you hire business analysis by investment bank like RBC, Coastal Finance, okay? And your boss want you, okay? This company, right, collect my return money, right? Then invest to the company, right? So your boss asks you, make a forecast about the company, Apple. Apple, this company sales in next 2 quarters. Okay? So basically, Apple is so you want to focus sales revenue in dollar, right? This is a public company, you can see, right? So the Apple sales, okay, you will plot the Apple sales, right? Up and down like that, right? So this time can be typically for business quarterly, right? For example, this is a Q1 23, then you have a Q4 22, you have a Q3 22, you have a Q2 22. Now, so basically your boss asks you, make a prediction right now, next 2 quarters. So this way they want to decide whether they want to buy Apple stock or not, right? Apple stock right now. For example, you can check Q4, Q2, say the sales 71 billion. And Q3 is 70 billion. And Q2 is 68 billion. Oh, no, this says 70, this is 68 billion. You can get a lot better, right? Okay, so now your boss asks you to make forecast. What's Apple sales in this quarter, which is February, right? So what's the number? What's your number? Your focus number for Apple sales? 50. So what's your name? Home. So your reputation based on this forecast. Yeah? Your reputation will tell very soon. So what's your forecast? 80, okay. B to 80. So your name related to 80. So what's your forecast?
92.
92, okay. 92. So different people have different forecasts, right? Yes? And if that number come in, right, very soon, right? By March 30, the data is there. Say, 78. So who is the best forecast?
50.
You are 50. Your error is how much error this guy? Yeah? $28 billion error. The B is 1 billion error. This is how much billion? 6 billion, right? 4 billion, right? So she's the best forecast, right? Yeah? Yeah, okay. Wow, you want to continue, right? Even doing consecutive 2 quarters, she did very well. She will have reputation. Everyone will follow her about the forecast, right? So this is the idea, right? For data, changing over time. Many. Right? So this is typically for sales. For stock price, it's changing over second by second, right? Focus what's stock for Tesla tomorrow, right? If you tell me, I will be very rich. Yeah, when I go up, I will collect your money, invest it, and we share profit. Yeah, that's all investment guy doing, yeah? Right? So, this is the problem we try to solve. Based on the historical data, we make forecast. So there's a 4 characteristics about time series data. One, any trend. Yeah, any trend about this data. From the data there's a trend. Can you see the trend from the data?
Yes.
Upturn, which is the most of the business, right? They're always upturn, like if you growing, right? You make more money, right? Since you got a lot of pressure from the investor, from there you spend it, yeah? Okay? And there's another one called seasonality. S-E-A-S-O-N. For Canadian, right? Well, every sales have a strongly seasonal data. Can you tell me which quarter Canadians spend most of the money?
Third quarter.
Quarter 4. Christmas holiday season, right? Vacation, buy Christmas gift, buy new car, new dress, right? Yeah? But the Q1 right now, all the credit of that, yeah? We don't spend anymore, yeah? On diet, yeah? So this kind of seasonality. Up, down, up, down, up, down, yeah? So if every Q4, people buy more iPhone. So you should make adjustment, right? Yeah, this is seasonality.
Professor,
Yeah? Question? Okay, go ahead.
When we talk about quarters, I'm not aware of the quarters. The quarters are divided in 3 months.
You can buy months, up to you, depending on your problems.
So, if I'm saying that in December, people spend most here because it's Christmas time and gifts exchanging.
Yeah.
Culture is here.
You can decide by monthly, you can buy weekly, up to your problem, right? For my problem, because most of the business, public company, were measured by market, by quarter. Yeah? They always give the financial outcome by quarter. That's why you use quarter. Right? You could use daily, even use by minutes. That's fine. Stocks, right? Every minute stocks matter. Okay? So number 3, it's readiness. Yeah, a lot of data is written, right? There's a lot of COVID-19 come in. Well, New York. Suddenly, like big slow come in, right? Yeah? So this kind of things you have to understand. Number 4, called sickness, right? Basically, well, you really sickness every 30 days, you know you have to tell, right? And in terms of business, for Canadian market economy, right? If you observe, they usually have a recession. Every 12 years, this kind of recession. Yeah? If you check the history there, right? So what do you mean by recession? There is a stagnation. If the company, the country GDP output, right, the production output is a downturn, 2 quarter, consecutive quarter, means, recession. Wow. There's a long overdue recession for Canadian economy. It's almost 40 months, 50 months already. That's why after COVID-19, people focus, right? There will be recession coming. People nervous, yeah? Well, I'm pretty optimistic, yeah? Because the technology ChatGPT, yeah? There will be do a lot of work, productivity, yeah? If you, buy more because you have more jobs and they pay you more, right? But there's a significant thing on this data set, okay? So we need to make a forecast based on the historic data rather than by bad, yeah? And make forecast based on the 4 characteristics, right? Okay? So the simple one, the simple one, because this is a uptrend or downtrend, right? I can draw linear regression like that. Do you agree? So linear regression is y equal b0 times b1. This time is t. Yeah, x is t, right? This can be quarter, can be months, can be quarter, can be years, can be decade, right? Okay? And so you can see, right? Because uptrend, so next quarter supposed to be over, this quarter. Yeah. However, there is a seasonality there, right? And so the seasonality, you have to model which Q1 effect, Q2 effect, Q3 effect, Q4 effect, right? So what you can do, you can put a dummy variable, expand this one to D1, B1, D2, B2, D3, B3, okay? You expand this one, then if Q1, 1, 0, 0, if Q2, 0, 1, 0, if Q3, 0, 0, 1. So this formula, you add you don't need D4 because you know Q1 effect, Q2 effect, you should know Q4 effect. Then you need BT. So this is use linear regression to make forecast. Then you have to make a season adjustment, right? This is my forecast. Say 80 billion. But this is a Q1, you have to downturn. Because every Q1, people try to lose money, don't spend it. Even in the Q4, you have the upside, yeah? So this is a formula, right? So this one uses data, fit this model, you're able to see what's Q1 effect, what's Q2 effect, Q3 effect, okay? So this is for data which have a trend, upside, downside, with seasonality, which most of our business data have this characteristic. Yeah? Okay? So, another concept, if that data very random, yeah? For example, the call center, if you're running manager or call center, right? Yeah, you call. This is very random, right? And yesterday, 200 calls. So the day before yesterday, 200 calls. So what's forecast for tomorrow so that I can organize my lady to the worker for tomorrow, right? So the technique for this one called moving average. Moving average, right? For example, you use this one, you can simply use moving average because I give you number, yeah, in the last 3 quarters, 70, 68, right? Yeah, I give you this number. Okay? So you use the 68